It's a very small chapter, nothing new to learn. So first of all, it's known as the liqueurs. Now, before I start, I would like to say one simple question to all of you. That is, it is also be asked by an external examination. Very basic question. What is the difference between these two words? Liquor and liqueur. एक liquor और liqueur. Liquor and liqueur. इसके बीच में क्या डिफरेंस है? ये पक्का ये क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा आपसे. ओके, सो लिक्योर एंड लिकर, इसके बीच में क्या डिफरेंस है? थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगाइए, आंसर मिल जाएगा आपको. चलिए, लिक्योर के बारे में मत बोलिए. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय LIQUOR, लिकर? क्या है लिकर? बोलिए, आपको आंसर मालूम है? बस ओनली के
सर,
हाँ प्लीज.
स्प्रिट, अल्कोहल बेवरेज, अल्कोहलिक बेवरेज, लिकर.
ओके, ठीक है. एनी अदर पीपल?
सर डिस्टिल बेवरेज.
इट्स डिस्टिल बेवरेज. ओके, चलो एक चीज समझ लो, दैट लिक्योर एंड लिकर के बीच में फर्क क्या है? Liquor is a father of everything. If it is a liquor, इसके अंदर you will have a every family like wine, beer, spirit, champagne, sparkling wine, everything. Even liquor also. मतलब जिसके अंदर अल्कोहल है, that is known as a liquor. LIQUOR. The thing which, lekin, there is a slight difference between the liqueur and liquor. What's the slight difference? Liqueurs are once again alcohol, but it is a flavored alcohol. Let's take an example. I've got a brandy and I add orange flavor inside that. Then it will be known as a Cointreau. That is the name of the liquor. So liquor is something which is a flavored. अगर आपको कहा जाए कि क्या है, liquor is something known as a flavored alcoholic beverage. Flavored alcoholic beverage. Naturally, it should be a spirit, and it has also got sweetness. So all the liqueurs are by default sweet in nature because all the liqueurs are finished with sugar syrup. सब liqueur के अंदर sugar syrup होता है. ये शुगर सिरप होने का कारण बस एक ही है कि दिस विल मेक द लिक्योर स्वीट, एंड दिस इज द बेसिक डिफरेंस बिटवीन लिकर एंड लिक्योर. सो सीधी भाषा में अगर कहा जाए, लिकर इज अ लार्ज पिक्चर, इज अ फैमिली. लिकर इज द फादर ऑफ अ फैमिली, जिसके अंडर में उसके जो बेटे हैं वो है, समझ लो, वाइन, बियर, शैंपेन, स्पार्कलिंग वाइन, विस्की, जिन, वोडका, रम, एवरीथिंग. जिसके अंदर अल्कोहल है, दैट इज नोन एज अ लिकर. इसके अंदर अल्कोहल है, that is known as a liquor. But anything which has an alcohol and as well as it has got a flavor like a orange, like a coffee, like a chocolate, like a strawberry, mulberry, gooseberry, and it is finished up with sweetness. बार बार बोल रहा हूं, sweetness, इस वर्ड को जरूर यूज करना. finished with a sugar syrup, that is known as a liqueur. इसलिए लिक्योर इज ऑल्सो अ पार्ट ऑफ लिकर, बट एक छोटा सा डिफरेंस बनता है, वो ये है, लिक्योर्स आर स्वीटेंड, मीठा होता है अगर देखा जाए तो. सो दिस इज व्हाट इट इज एक्चुअली. नथिंग, आई मीन, लाइक इट इज रिटन, यू कैन टेक ए लुक एट द स्क्रीन. फेवर्ड एंड स्वीटेंड स्पिरिट हैविंग अ हाई अल्कोहलिक कंटेंट. It is also known as a people. This is a very important term. ये देखो जहां पे मेरा माउस घूम रहा है, ये एक्सटर्नल आपसे पूछ सकता है. It is known as a digestive. Digestive मतलब liqueurs are very sweet in nature. इसलिए people जब मतलब like a guest when finishes his or her meal, जब वो meal खत्म करता है, okay, then we generally give what, like kulfi, ice cream and everything as a dessert. Same way, they also be served something called digestive or a digestive. Digestive is something that helps in digestion, so that is why it is known as a digestive. There is something called aperitif and there is something called digestive. Aperitif are the drinks which stimulate the appetite, like, you know, sparkling wine, dry white wine, all this thing known as an aperitif. ये भी question पूछा जाएगा. Then there is something called digestive that is served at the end, which is known as a liqueur. Fine, ठीक है. Next one is going to be categories. How many types of liqueurs are there? One is a generic liqueur. It is not made by any person or any, sorry, it is not made by any distillery. Like distillery का मतलब है कि अब तक तो हमें मालूम हो ही गया होगा कि distillery का मतलब क्या है. A place where distillation happen, a company which have the distillation process. Like, you know, there is something called Bombay Sapphire. There is something called, let's take an example, क्या है वो अपना whiskey का, जैसे कि समझ लो Diageo, United Breweries, जहाँ पे डिस्टिलेशन का काम ये सब कुछ होता है. तो एक है जेनरिक लिकर जो डिस्टिलरी से नहीं आता है, किसी आदमी ने इसको बनाया होगा. So let's take an example, Advocat. Advocat is a type of liqueur which was invented by a human being. It's known as a Petrus de Cuyper. It's from the Dutch or the Holland. Then there is something called proprietary liquors. These are large, I mean, like these are the wide number of liqueurs that is available in the globe. सबसे ज़्यादा ये चीज available है, because it is coming from one single distillery. Okay, like Diageo, Pernod Ricard, LVMH, ये सब जो companies है, they have their own distillation plants where these liquors are manufactured. So generic liquor and proprietary liquor. सबसे ज्यादा दुनिया में proprietary liquor ही होता है. ठीक है. Then go to the next one, which says that के how do you produce the liquor? देखो ये एकदम सिंपल भाषा में मैं आपको बोल देता हूँ, लिकर प्रोडक्शन बिल्कुल सिंपल है. आपके पास स्पिरिट है, समझ लो आपके पास ब्रांडी है. अब आप ब्रांडी के अंदर आप जितने सारे आपको अगर फेवरेट लगे हर्ब्स ऐड करना है, फ्लावर्स ऐड करना है, फ्रूट्स ऐड करना है, रूट्स लाइक कार्डमम, कोरिएंडर, ये सब रूट्स ऐड करना है, मैपल सिरप, शुगर सिरप ऐड करना है, तो ऐड कर दो, करके उसको बॉयल कर दो, उसके अंदर आ जाएगा. सबको याद होगा कि जिन is flavored with anybody? देखो अभी एग्जाम शुरू होने वाला, ये क्वेश्चन नहीं आ रहा है आपको.
जूनिपर बेरीज.
हाँ, juniper berries, fantastic. So gin is flavored with juniper berries. How it is flavored? Because gin is boiled in a pot still. जब वो pot still से boiling हो रहा था, आपने वो वीडियो जरूर देखा होगा. उसमें क्या होगा कि if it has been while it was boiling, it passed through your herbs, flowers, fruits, roots and all, and it absorbed all the smell or all the flavor of that thing. Okay, right? So this is known as liqueur flavoring. Okay, तो ये देखो कैसे होता है. There are 3 methods in which the liquor can be I mean like flavored. It's very simple. First of all is maceration. Maceration का मतलब क्या होता है कि let's take an example, आपको flavoring agent जो है, you want to put it inside the spirit. मतलब समझ लो there is a whiskey and you want to give a flavor of orange, तो you take the orange peels और जो orange का citrus fruit का जो peels है, उस peels को लेके whiskey के अंदर dip करके 24 hours रख दो. Maybe after some time what will happen, the flavor will transfer to that. काम खत्म. Then there is a infusion style जो है वो हमारे सब घर में होता है. Let's take an example, आपके सुबह आज ठंड के टाइम पे आपकी मम्मी जब चाय बना रहा होगा, उस टाइम क्या किया होगा, she boiled the liquid and she added some chopped ginger. So while the tea started to boil, it absorbed all the flavor from the ginger and you get a flavor of ginger tea. Okay, that is the infusion. लेकिन infusion always happen. यही फर्क है maceration और infusion के बीच में. Infusion style में क्या होता है कि you have to heat the spirit. लेकिन यहाँ पे एक चीज का ध्यान रखना है. If you heat the alcohol, then what will happen, people? अगर हम अल्कोहल को बॉयल कर देंगे तो क्या होगा?
अल्कोहल इवेपोरेट हो जाएगा.
हाँ, अल्कोहल इवेपोरेट हो जाएगा. ये एक सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है जो आपको थोड़ा ध्यान रखना है. इसलिए नॉट इन अ वेरी हाई टेम्परेचर, इन अ वेरी लो टेम्परेचर the infusion has to be done. Finally, that is last one is a percolation. Percolation का जो method है, it is once again very simple. आपने वो वीडियो देखा होगा begin, which is made by the jinn. Okay, so let's do one thing. I will just अभी शायद आपको थोड़ा समझ में नहीं आ रहा होगा. मैं काम करता हूं. I will just do this video, replay the video again. Okay, just hold on. Who is this guest want to enter? Don't know. Okay, चलो ठीक है. उस वीडियो को एक बार आप हम लोग देख लेते हैं. Then you will get a clear picture. Okay, right? Just a moment, people. Right. Yeah. So what is actually a percolation method? That's how it is. Where the hell is it? Made on the base of the jinn. I just want to show you that how the percolation method actually happened. So percolation method is something where there is a sieve, there is a strainer is there through which it moves and get the flavor from it. Okay. So once again, these are the three methods in which you can do all this thing. Fine. इसके अलावा there is something called how do you extract the flavor. Obviously distillation is a style. अभी हमने देखा उसके माध्यम से हो सकता है. And then compounding. Compounding is once again a style where you know the it is desired flavor is produced by the each and every stage. So let's take an example. You want to make a brandy. Brandy के अगर कोई orange flavor देना है तो maybe शायद क्या होगा? To make a brandy, first you need to make a wine. Once you make the wine, that time you add flavor. Then once you make a distillation or boil the alcohol, then you make then you add the flavor. And after everything, when the brandy goes for maturing, then you also add the flavor. So compound, बार increase हो रहा है, compounding हो रहा है, ठीक है? And this is very important thing. It has been liqueurs are mature for some time in the cask. When you put the liqueurs in the wine cask or a barrel, then it will be kept with the flavors for a long time. This is how the flavor are extracted. ठीक है? So ये है main चीज, एकदम simple infusion, maceration and your what you call percolation. This is the three definition of question they will going to ask. अब है you have to remember large number of liquor with their brand name and your this thing. Notes are already there on your WhatsApp. Please take a look. First of all, किसी ने अगर आपने किसी से गलती से पूछ लिया कि what is Monk's coffee? It's called Benedictine. Calipaso coffee, Tia Maria. Seville coffee, Cointreau. ये कुछ famous नाम है. Russian coffee है vodka. German coffee, Krish. Italian coffee, Starga. Okay. Now take a look at this, very interesting, जो आपको अभी जानना है. This is very important. यहाँ पे है समझ ले, there is something called Tia Maria. Tia Maria कैसे बन रहा है? It's a name of a liquor that come from Jamaica. Now this Tia Maria is liquor is made from coffee, rum and honey. Every liqueur has got a sweetening agent. चाहे वो sugar syrup हो सकता है, चाहे वो honey हो सकता है, या तो कुछ और हो सकता है. Tia Maria का मतलब होता है Auntie Maria. Maria is a name of aunt, is a name of that aunt, and the tia means auntie. It's in the Spanish language. Okay. Cointreau is something that is made from brandy and orange. Okay. So brandy is a base spirit, and there we add some orange flavor. Kahlua that comes from Mexico. It's once again a coffee-based liqueur. The base is rum and sugar. Drambuie is a Scotch whiskey where there is a honey. Okay. So what do you mean by Drambuie? The drink that has satisfied. ये सारे जो notes है, ये सारे आपको सिंगारा वेलेवन का जो book है 536 पेज नंबर के अंदर एक बहुत बड़ा सा चार्ट दिया हुआ है. Please take a look at this. वही है आपको याद रखना है. जितना आप नाम याद रखोगे, that how you can remember things. Okay. Campari is once again an Italian. Chambord is a French liqueur made from ब्लैकबेरीज एंड हनी, ये सारे हैं, क्रीम दे ककाओ, क्रीम दे banana, creme de cassis, creme de fraiche, all this thing. Then Drambuie once again, creme de menthe. All these are famous liqueur of the world. Galliano, Galliano is once again Italian brandy made with the star anise, peppermint, Irish cream. Jägermeister or Jägerbomb, Jägerbomb बोल के एक famous cocktails है. When you go to the industrial training, you will see this thing. It's a German liqueur made with citrus, ginger, and licorice. Okay, right? How do you serve the liqueur? Please understand one thing. Liqueur served neat. There is no chaser. Chaser कभी नहीं होता है. Liqueur with soda, liqueur with कभी नहीं होता है. Liqueur is served either on a frappe, like a ice के ऊपर, या तो फिर crushed ice के ऊपर you can put, or liquors are served in a simple liquor glass. 30 ml, sometimes 60 ml also, not a big problem. But liquors are widely used in the cocktails. ठीक है? So now I have a humble request to people. Please, after this, please just go to the notes and read that लंबा जो list है, यहाँ पे 43 liqueurs के नाम है, उसके साथ उसके brand name, liqueurs के नाम, उसके country and their base spirit is there. So वो सारे आपको याद रखना है जितना हो सके. समझ लो common things are like Cointreau, Tia Maria, Jamaican liqueur जैसे कि Kahlua, Drambuie, all these things you need to remember. Okay, because these questions will be asked by the external so, and at the same time. Yeah, please.
So page number 536 ना?
Page number 5 नहीं है, page number 536 है वो.
Yes, 536 liquors and their flavor, color, base spirits.
Yes. This is the one you need to keep in mind. ये जो लंबा list है, ये आपको याद रखना. ये
yes,
मतलब
57 names.
हाँ 57 तो नाम याद नहीं रखना है, ऑब्वियसली बात है. मतलब इनमें से जो इम्पोर्टेंट लिस्ट, हाँ बेसिकली समझ लिए, मैंने अभी जो पीपीटीज में कहा है, ठीक है, ये गैलियानो हो गया, ओके, कालुआ, ओके, देन देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड स्टारगा, तिया मारिया, ऑल दिस थिंग आर इम्पोर्टेंट, कुराशियो. सो जितना हो सके इसका थोड़ा सा याद रखिए. वो आपसे पूछ सकता है ऐसे कि टेल मी 3 ऑरेंज बेस लिक्योर, तो होगा आपका उसमें उसमें आएगा आपका Cointreau. Then there is something called, एक हो गया Cointreau के बाद दूसरा होता है अपना what is called this thing? Curacao. Yes, yeah, Curacao क्या कहते हैं उसको, okay. And then there is also one more. एक और है
Grand Marnier.
Grand Marnier, fantastic. Yeah, Grand Marnier. It's made from brandy, okay, right? So ये चीज आपको याद
रखना. There is more than 3. There is more than 3. So there is more than 3 orange flavor.
एक है शायद अपना मैंड्रिन नेपोलियन बोल के होगा शायद.
Yes.
हाँ, मैंड्रिन नेपोलियन, all this thing, ठीक है. But yes, why I say this three names, because 3 names are very very famous. They will say that के can you tell me coffee flavored liqueur, ठीक है. ये सब चीजें common question वो आएगा आपके पास, okay. So please try to read जितना हो सके, okay, right. Now we will learn another interesting topic which is known as the types of bar. So the first one is liqueur, and the types of bar. कितने तरह के बार होता है and cocktails क्या होता है. We will not learn about cocktail. हम cocktail के बारे में नहीं सीखेंगे because cocktail is a chapter that comes on your types of cocktail and all this thing will come in your 5th semester, basically 6th semester. But we'll just take a look at the types of bar and all. दुनिया में कितने तरह के बार होता है on an average. The first one that comes is a pub. Pub is once again anything that serves an alcohol with some light meals like snacks and finger food are known as a bar. Now, depending on the guest preferences, the bar get changed. The one is a pub. Now, what is a pub? Pub is something, समझ लो, जहां पे there is a place where you can serve an alcohol, and at the same time, pubs में आपको live music सुनने को मिलता है. This is the very interesting thing. Pub और night club के बीच में यही फर्क है. Night club में you cannot dance. I'm sorry, night club में you can dance, and at the same time night club में कभी live music नहीं होता है. वहां पे कोई disc jockey होगा या तो फिर DJ होगा. They will be playing the song and you just have to dance on the dance floor. Whereas in case of pub, there is always a live music. Somebody will be playing a guitar, somebody will be singing like that. Okay, like I remember JW Marriott टेरो सिटी में एक बार ब्रैड एडम्स आया था, वी ऑल नो दैट फेमस सॉन्ग समर ऑफ 69। सो वहां पे एरो सिटी दिल्ली में एक पब है, so they just came, he just came and played the live guitar in the this thing, I mean your that pub. So basically Bryan Adams came to India as a guest, ऐसी आया था कोई कंपनी के साथ डील साइन करने के लिए, तो they stayed in our hotel, so then we requested, actually all the guests requested please come for a play a guitar something like, so he came to the bar. So this is actually, and we also have a, मतलब वहां पे एक नाइट क्लब भी था, but I didn't wait to night club because night club is too much crowded. Nightclub is too much crowded and there is always a heavy music. So it depends on the mood. Actually, see, when you are, let's take an example, you have a very bad day, you want to relax and with a very light and soothing music, तो then आप कोशिश करोगे pubs में जाने के लिए, where you get an alcohol पीने से क्या होगा, your all tension and frustration will reduce and then there will be a very light music. But yes, when you are in a mood to enjoy the night, party the night, or celebrate the night, suppose some of you, let's take an example, Rohit has, okay, let's take an example, Shivangi has cracked the OCLD. Now she wants to go for bar, okay, or maybe let's take an example, Saurav Nayak has cracked TMTP or Taj Management Training Program. Now both of them want to celebrate, give party to all the students. So then you can go to the nightclub. So now understand the mood. So the mood is to enjoy, the mood is to leave the night, the mood is to not to sleep and enjoy throughout them. As you say, obviously Christmas night, New Year's night, okay. Obviously उस time पे कोई ऐसा sad song कोई guitar play कर रहा है, nobody wants to listen to that. Christmas New Year के time पे public want to be a mood, they want to celebrate all the sorrow and all the sacrifices of their life which they have done throughout the year. So then they will go for a nightclub. So यही basic difference है pubs और nightclub के बीच में, which none of the people know the answer. So please, you are lucky to be a part of this class. So please just understand this thing. It can be where anywhere. It can be pool में भी हो सकता है. It can be close to a lobby. But naturally कोई भी music area जो होता है, it is always away from the guest areas, because if it is close to the guest areas, the guest will be disturbed. Then there is something called lounge. You will go to the hotel, you will see this thing. On the lobby, there is a place where there is lots of sofas are kept and there is a small bar. So lounge, these are known as a lounge bar. इस lounge bar का interesting part क्या है? All the three sides are blocked, but like in one side will be open, जहाँ से you'll get a fantastic view of the city, fantastic view of the pool, fantastic view of the let's take an example, mountains, fantastic view of jungle, fantastic view of your water body like sea or something. So any kind of view you will take a look. So one side will be open and the other side is, other three side is closed, so that you can sit on the sofa. Now very important thing, lounge में कभी chairs नहीं होता है, lounge में हमेशा sofa होता है, because ये पूरा relaxing matter है. They want to relax in point. सारा दिन काम करने के बाद ऑफिस में कॉन्फ्रेंस मीटिंग करके प्रेजेंटेशन देके, when the guests are completely tired, they want to sit somewhere and relax. So then sofa is obviously as a very relaxing place. ठीक है, this is called a lounge bar. Dispense bar, it is the heart of all the bar. It is a backup bar or a support bar. आपके पास अगर लेमन जूस खत्म हो गया, कॉकटेल नहीं बना सकते, तो होटल में एक बार होता है जिसका नाम है डिस्पेंस बार. ये सारे अल्कोहलिक बेवरेजेस, मीजान प्लान, ऑल दी अदर बार्स को सप्लाई करता है. इट्स अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बार, बिकॉज इफ डिस्पेंस बार इज समथिंग दैट नेवर इनसाइड द होटल, मतलब होटल के गेस्ट एरिया में नहीं होता है, सॉरी, लेकिन इट विल बी लाइक क्लोज टू दी बैक एरिया. ये बैक एरिया में होता है, ये कभी सामने नहीं होता है. और यहाँ पे कभी कोई गेस्ट नहीं आता है. यहाँ पे हमेशा याद रखना, बार मैनेजर और एफएमबी मैनेजर यहाँ पे बैठा हुआ रहता है, बिकॉज दिस इज द बार विच इज अ सपोर्ट, और वी कैन से द स्पाइनल कॉर्ड, ओके, स्पाइनल कॉर्ड ऑफ एंटायर ऑपरेशन, बार ऑपरेशन. बिकॉज इफ दिस वन फॉल्स, अगर यहाँ पे इक्विपमेंट्स खत्म हो गया, देन एवरीथिंग विल गो डाउन. नेचुरली छोटे छोटे होटल में, तो छोटे छोटे 5 स्टार होटल में डिस्पेंस बार नहीं होता है, बट अ बिग होटल विद, लाइक लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल, हयात अंदाज जैसे प्रॉपर्टी हो गया, या तो फिर हायत रीजेंसी दिल्ली जैसे प्रॉपर्टी हो गया। यहाँ पे क्या है, यू हैव गॉट हायत रीजेंसी दिल्ली हैज गॉट 6 रेस्टोरेंट एंड 4 बार्स। तो नेचुरली यहाँ पे यू विल हैव टू मेक अ डिस्पेंसर। अब जैसे कि ताज ताज उषा किरण पैलेस जहाँ पे एक बार है, वहां पे तो डिस्पेंस बार की कोई जरूरत है ही नहीं। सपोज लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल, रेडिसन का अगर एग्जांपल है, वहां पे तो बार ही नहीं है, अल्कोहलिक बेवरेज ही वहां पे बंद है। ये रेडिसन ग्वालियर का अगर हम एग्जांपल ले ले तो I don't know whether they have started now, but like in 2-3 weeks back, they were closed completely for the alcohol. Okay, so just keep in mind all this thing. Okay, this is how the dispense bar. Cocktail bar, a very very regular bar जो कोई भी होटल के लॉबी में होता है, very very lavish and very high standard bar where all the standard hygiene and cleanness everything are maintained, just like this normal bar जो हर होटल में होता है. But yes, it is the face of food and beverage, so it has to be completely clean, and it shows the elegance of the food and beverage waiter also. So what do you do over here? See, the important thing of this bar is whatever you do here, it will be displayed throughout the world. So this bar has to be the most beautiful bar of the hotel. इसलिए लोग करोड़ों रुपए खर्चा करता है, कोई भी होटल करोड़ रुपए खर्चा करता है इस बार के पीछे, because if this bar is good, then everything else will be good. Then people will say that okay, FMB is good in this hotel. Banquet bar, ये आपको देख के लग रहा है अभी आप विंटर सीजन में जा रहे हो. Let me tell you, you will have to set up this bar. Now, interesting part about this banquet bar is this bar is not fixed. फिर से बोल रहा हूं, this bar is not fixed. ये कभी फिक्स नहीं होता. जैसे कि समझ लो लॉबी बार फिक्स्ड है, कॉकटेल बार फिक्स्ड है, डिस्पेंस बार फिक्स्ड है. जब होटल कंस्ट्रक्शन हुआ था दैट टाइम इट वाज कंप्लीटली फिक्स्ड. बट नाउ बैंक्वेट बार इज समथिंग व्हिच इज नेवर फिक्स्ड. आज बैंक्वेट बार अगर रास्ते के ऊपर है तो कल पूल के ऊपर भी हो सकता है, परसों छत के ऊपर भी हो सकता है लाइक रूफटॉप, तरसों समझ लो ग्राउंड के ऊपर भी हो सकता है, परसों फिर फ्लोर के ऊपर भी हो सकता है. सो इट इज समथिंग व्हिच इज बीन सेट अप बाय द बैंक्वेट पीपल. ये देखो यहाँ पे कुछ टेबल्स है. सो दिस टेबल इज बीन इन अ रेक्टेंगल, ये कुछ सेमी सर्कुलर शेप में है. इसको हम क्रिसेंट टेबल कहते हैं और फिर हाफ मून टेबल कहते हैं. You will go to the hotel, you will see all this thing because your training is going to be the most busiest training because entire hotels at Delhi, Jaipur and Agra is sold out. The people who are going over there will going to see an exciting IT, and it is known as a frill. ये देखो फ्रिल है यहाँ पे. इससे जैसे यू सी इन द ATR सुरेश सर के रेस्टोरेंट के अंदर आपने देखा होगा कि बुफे काउंटर के नीचे ऐसा कुछ क्लॉथ लगा होता है. दैट इज नोन एज अ फ्रिल. So this bar, if the guest I want to place it here, it can be placed. So this is a banquet bar. Naturally, the alcohol over here served from the dispense bar. One day before the bar, like a marriage party, you will get the required list from the guest, and then you go to the dispense bar. Sir, मुझे ये सामान चाहिए. Then the bar will be served here. Okay.
Sir.
Yes, please बोलिए.
सर बैंक्वेट बार आपने बोला फिक्स नहीं होता, मतलब उसकी प्लेस फिक्स नहीं है कि वो कहीं भी सेटअप हो सकता है.
यस एब्सोल्युटली राइट.
मतलब होगा तो मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि होगा ही नहीं कहीं पर, मतलब कुछ फंक्शन है तो सेटअप है बट प्लेस मतलब फिक्स नहीं है.
होगा ही
कहाँ सेटअप होने वाला
है. यस होगा ही तो इसका भी कोई गारंटी नहीं है. ओके,
गेस्ट चॉइस के ऊपर.
हाँ गेस्ट चॉइस के ऊपर है. मतलब सीधी बात है. ऑब्वियसली अगर मेहंदी का कोई शो चल रहा है और गेस्ट ने कहा कि नहीं हम तो यहाँ पे बार नहीं लगाना चाहते, तो नहीं लगेगा. मेहंदी के दिन कौन अल्कोहल पीता. हाँ, नाउ आई हैव गॉट अ मैरिज पार्टी, ऑब्वियसली नाउ पीपल वांट अ बार. ओके, आई हैव गॉट अ कॉकटेल डिनर. सपोज लेट्स टेक एग्जांपल, सोनी कंपनी want to give a annual general meeting होने के बाद they want to give their staff members a cocktail dinner party. हाँ, अब तो बार है, जरूर है. किसी बच्चे का बर्थडे पार्टी है, नेचुरली उसमें तो अल्कोहल तो होगा नहीं, तो वहां पे बार होगा नहीं. तो होगा या नहीं होगा एक गेस्ट के चॉइस के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. बट यस, इफ इट इज देयर इट कैन बी शिफ्ट टू एनीवेयर. ओके, समथिंग लाइक दिस. नाउ
मतलब बार की लिस्ट में तो आता है, अगर हमसे पूछा जाएगा कि टाइप्स ऑफ बार बताए तो हम उसमें बैंक्वेट बार बताएंगे.
डेफिनेटली you will say that banquet bar is a type of bar which is mobile, not stationary. Okay, It's like a just like a mobile phone. कहीं पे भी चाहो कहीं पे भी आप लेके जा सकते हो. But yes, there is a banquet bar. एक बार होता है. The only bar in the hotel which is mobile, not stationary. Okay, ठीक है? Right. आगे बढ़ते हैं. This is the one. It is very interesting. Again, ये जो बार है इसको ध्यान में रखो. ये एक बार का स्ट्रक्चर है. This is how a bar is made. So let's take an example. अगर ये पूरा मेरा बार काउंटर है तो बारटेंडर जो है, ये देखो मैं आपको सही से दिखाता हूं. बारटेंडर इस एरिया में खड़ा रहेगा. एंड देन दिस इज गोइंग टू बी हिज फ्रंट बार. ये जो सामने वाला जो हिस्सा है इज गोइंग टू बी द फ्रंट, सॉरी, ये जो बैक साइड वाला हिस्सा है इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ बैक बार एंड दिस गोइंग टू बी अ फ्रंट बार. ओके, तो चलो मैं आपको एक वीडियो फिर से दिखाता हूं. उसमें आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. देयर समथिंग कॉल्ड स्पीड ड्रिल आल्सो. स्पीड ड्रिल जहां पे सब कुछ आपका सामान रखा जाता है. We'll take a look at a video again and then we'll understand what are the parts of a bar. It will be going to help you a lot. Just hold on. I have made this video only for your seniors. Last year when lockdown struck all over the country. Okay. देखते हैं कहाँ पे है ये. Okay, right. I found it out. Take a look. So we will take a look at a very simple example of our college ATR bar. और वहां से हम लोग देखिए we will find lots of options from there. Take a look. Types of bar. Include the computer sound. Yes, fine. So this is our ATR restaurant and this is our bar, and take a look at what it has been done here. So the name that I'm going to say is going to act as a definition. Please watch. Known as your front bar, where the bartender will make some food and make some cocktail and will serve it to the guest. As you have read, this area, the area which touches the floor at the front bar, this area is actually known as your bar dial. Okay. Now, if sometime happens that, let's assume that this is our bar and the guest is also coming over here, and sometimes guest want to sit here and want to enjoy the drink. For this, there is something small tables are there. This is no chairs are there. This is known as a bar stool where the guest can take a rest and everything. So once again, back bar, that's the display area. Front bar, bar dial. Okay. Now I will go inside this bar and Vexa, please come closer. So now you can take a look. I am entering this bar. Okay. This is my back area. I have entered in my bar area. So we'll take a look at little bit of ingredient knowledge, then we show a display. The thing which is have in my hand right now is known as a bar spoon to mixing the drink. As we all know, this is a glass called Tom Collins. Now a spoon cannot go inside. So for this reason, this thing has been used. Okay. Followed by this is known as a heartworm strainer. How it has been used, we're going to take a look at that. This is known as a cocktail shaker, or we can also call it Boston shaker. It has two parts. One is this one and one is this one. So you put this cocktails and everything mixture inside, which we'll learn in the final year. Then you shake it, and while you serve it on the glass, you can serve something like this with the use of this strainer. Now, why this strainer has been used? The purpose behind this using of this strainer is that, just hold on. So the purpose of this strainer is basically if there is any ice is there, it will get strained back and the water is actually fall down here. So that's how the thing happens over here. Now we will also learn about this fact. This is known as a peg measure. This is nothing but a life of a bartender. So if you don't have a peg measure, you cannot serve an alcohol anywhere in the bar. Now in the banquet you can do. Banquet you just open the bottle and serve. But here it is really not possible. This is our 30 ml and this one is 60 ml. This is designed by the Excise Department of India. So obviously you cannot play with this thing. You cannot play, you can play with everything, but you cannot play with this one. As we are talking about bitters, so this is the one we have got. This is known as Angostura bitter. Now, Beck sir, you can come a little closer, you can take a look. There is a picture, you can take a look. It's called Angostura bitter and this is from Trinidad and Tobago. Bartender's life. Now, once again, this is also very essential for a bartender. This is known as a Tabasco sauce. This is your WC sauce we can call, or we can also call it Worcestershire sauce.
Worcestershire sauce. Okay, this is we have already seen coaster. This is your orange cordials, lime cordials, blue Curacao, like a blue lagoon cocktails and mocktails are made with this set. Now we have already seen the glass. Okay, another important thing we have got. Take a look at this. Is very interesting to understand. It's called ice bucket. Now in ice bucket there is ice tong. This is also tong and this is also tong. इन दोनों tongs में क्या difference दिख रहा है आपको? Simple बात है, इस tong से हम chicken, fish, vegetable कुछ भी पकड़ सकते हैं. But when there is ice, there is a chance of slippery. So to avoid the slipperiness, there has to be something which can hold the ice like this, because ice is water and water will tend to slip. Whatever you do, even if you're the best bartender on the planet, it will tend to slip. So that's the reason this ice packs are not, the tongs are not used. Instead, this one should be used. Okay, right. So let's take an example. A guest has arrived in the bar right now, and he has ordered for. So guest has come to the hotel, and he say, take a look it over. Now remember one thing: this displays are done such a way because these things are there in the menu. So guests take a look at the menu, and then they will order. Okay, I will go for a Jim Beam. Even they don't take a look at the menu also, because guests will think whatever there in the display, इसका मतलब ये यहाँ पे. अब जैसे कि समझ लीजिए दुकान में अगर कोई लिवाइस का जीन्स बिक रहा है तो हम एक पुतले के ऊपर लिवाइस का जीन्स सजा के रखते हैं. Why we do this thing? We do this because the customer will able to know चलो लिवाइस का जीन्स अंदर है. तो same way इसका मतलब है कि this bar sells Jim Beam whiskey. Guest comes and order for a Jim Beam whiskey. What will happen now? He asks that I want a Jim Beam whiskey with soda and ice. Okay. All right. So now the guest has come and he said to me that can I get a glass of 30 ml Jim Beam whiskey? So he has taken look at here and said that the Jim Beam is available. So order for a Jim Beam. 99% of the bartender, what they do, they take the bottle from the display. No, never. अगर कस्टमर आके आपको लिवाइस की जीन्स की ऑर्डर करता है तो do you go to the bar or do you go to the outside putla and take the jeans out and you serve? No, you never touch the display bottle. I have a speed rail. Heard about speed rail? Here all the ingredients are kept. I have already one Jim Beam bottle here. This is just to show. So what I'll do, I will make the salver here also. This is my bar. So here say that I want a 30 ml whiskey with soda and ice. So this is my soda I've already made. Now this is my whiskey. Since I know the guest has asked for a 30 ml, take a look at this. This is very interesting. So this is my Jim Beam. You can see the Jim Beam, and I am pouring on the 30 ml side. 30 ml वाले में मैं इसको ऐड कर रहा हूँ. जैसे ही मैंने देखा, मिक्सर के closer, take a look. So जैसे ही आपका यहाँ पे 30 ml देखिए complete हो गया, exactly 30 ml है. I will just simply go and I'll take my old-fashioned glass and I'll serve. It's already been done. Back end में ये होता है. Okay, this is here. Now he also said that I need some ice also. So I'll take some ice here. Doesn't require that you need always the. Also, you need to carry to coaster with yourself. And once my salver is ready, I know that I am confident to move. Then I'll move ahead. So basically, what will happen in this case also, we'll also add when the guest comes to the bar. The way we go to the restaurant, and we all know that we have to also serve like a napkin. Napkin we should not serve anything. Same way, there has to be a cocktail napkin which is to be placed over here. So I put a cocktail napkin. The salver is already been set. I will not take this salver. Instead, I will come out of the bar. The bar se bahar aunga, and then I will come over here. Now here, there is no show off. We will not going to show the bottles or something because it's not a wine, it's a whiskey. And we are serving in front of you. Yes, is here. Once again, same concept. What is my right hand side? This is going to be my right hand side. So I'll obviously go over here. And then I'll put my right leg forward. You can take a look. I place my coaster. Once again, since it is a bar table, if we assume this is a bar table, so there is no other thing on the table. So obviously, we'll keep the coaster first. Keep my napkin. It's a cocktail napkin. Then I put my 30 ml of, so this is your 30 ml of Jim Beam whiskey. Remember one thing, my salver should not be here. It has to be here. Okay? 30 ml of Jim Beam whiskey. That's how we should put. Okay? And followed by, I'll ask that, would you like some cube of ice? He says yes. carefully has to be. Here is a very interesting thing to see. Take a look. This is the ice. I'll take this ice. I'll go here. Now what will happen if I leave this? The tongue will touch the glass like this. This is extremely unhygienic. Do not do it. Never ever do it. So what is to be done instead? Pick up the ice, go over here and leave it like this. Or else you can leave it here. But remember one thing, this should not touch here. This is very unhygienic because this is going everywhere. So guest will touch his mouth here and it's really unhygienic. So that's the reason it has to be served close here and then you can come back. Now guest says yes, how many cubes of ice? Is there 2 cubes of ice? We add 2 cubes of ice and then you add, you'd like to go for soda. While you are serving, you should ask the guest also this question, very very important phraseology. Please suggest me when to stop. Please suggest me. ऐसे नहीं आपने डालना शुरू कर दिया. Should ask the guest, please suggest me sir when to stop. So sir please, I am pouring the soda. Please let me know when to stop. So you will serve, and then you will say that yes, please stop. So you can stop. Will you take it back? No, you will not take it back. You will place one more coaster here and you will place the soda on the table. That's how you should serve a whiskey. Same way, all the drinks should be served like this. If there is a vodka, it has to be served in a Tom Collins glass. If there is a rum, it has to be served in a Tom Collins glass. Whiskey is only served in a cocktail glass. Gin has to be served in a Tom Collins glass again. Now soda or water ice. But the concept remains the same. Concept exactly remains the same. Thank you very much.
Okay, all right. So that was all about the service of alcoholic beverages and also the setup of the bar. When you have a time, please people, before going to the IT, go to my YouTube channel and take a look at all the service of gin, vodka, rum, spirit. You'll get a basic idea. जब आप बार में जाओगे तो आपको शायद कहाँ जाएगा. And naturally, I don't know whether this practicals happen with yourself in the restaurant or not. चलो जो भी है. बाद में आते हैं वो. So this is how it is. So I have talked about a word called speed drill. देखो, this is very important one. The speed drill is something where you keep all your mise en place, like okay, your lemon juice, crushed ice, soda, sugar syrup, and everything at one go. This is the area from the bar counter to the bottom. It is known as a bar dive. Then there is a footrest. अगर मैं यहाँ पे बैठ रहा हूँ तो पैर कहाँ पे रखूंगा? पैर मैं इसके ऊपर ही रखूंगा. This is known as a footrest. ठीक है? So front bar, back bar, and your front bar, back bar, and bar dive. Just keep everything in mind. एक सवाल आ सकता है, what is bar dive, what is back bar, or what is front bar? And speed drill का सवाल तो बहुत important है. Okay, ठीक है? चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. देखो, जब कोई एक कॉकटेल बनता है तो उस कॉकटेल के 3 पार्ट होता है. द फर्स्ट वन इज नोन एज अ बेस, जो ये नीचे है. ये देखो नीचे है आपका बेस. दिस एरिया, sorry, this area is going to be your base. And there is a modifier. Modifier is inside. I mean, you will be adding some flavoring agent here. Then you add some flavor, and finally there is a garnish. So ये है basically tequila, Cointreau, lemon juice. So it's tequila sunrise. Tequila sunrise is a very famous. Sorry, margarita. It's iced margarita. It's a very famous cocktail which is made from tequila, Cointreau, and lemon juice. So that's the reason it has got 3 parts. Okay. Now, what is a build-up cocktail? What is a stirred cocktail? What is a shaking? What is a blending, layering? ये सब क्या होता है? These are the terminology actually. जैसे कि समझ लो जेम्स बॉन्ड का famous martini cocktail है, जिस पे हमने ये सुना था कि shaken but not stirred. So what is that actually? Okay. So these are some the photos of the cocktail where you can take a look. Layering cocktail क्या होता है? Okay. Then there's something called Puss Cafe. This is how the Puss Cafe look like. Okay. Then different types of cocktail. There is something called eggnog, is a type of cocktail. Frappes with the ice. Okay. Toddy is served with the hot water, and then there is something called Collins. Collins is served with ice, lemon. So these are the types of cocktail which we have, which you need to read and remember. Okay, right? Like somebody says, what do you mean by toddy? Excuse me. This is the right season for serving the toddy. Basically it can be it is actually known as a hot cocktail. जहाँ पे आप, now obviously hot है तो we can use it with the brandy, hot water, and some you know उसके साथ आप not necessarily hot cocktail. It can be mocktail also. That समझ लो you serve it with a hot water, honey, cardamom, and cinnamon. Definitely, it will going to make a nice toddies and all everything. Okay, right? So this is the main importance, that the common question we can take a look, that base, body, garnish, and modifier, parts of cocktail, different types of cocktail, bar, die क्या होता है, speed drill क्या होता है. तो all these things are there in this book page of Singara Balaban. बट पीपल, मैं फिर से बोलूंगा, इससे भी जो इंपॉर्टेंट है वो ये है कि टाइप्स ऑफ कॉकटेल बार के बारे में याद रखना, दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड योर types of liquor with their flavor and base agent. Okay, right? That is how it is. We are left with just 2 chapters. I'm very sorry again, this is not my style of teaching, but you know what is happening, that I got this opportunity with you very late, tab tak almost ho chuka tha. So that is the reason I think, just hold on. Yeah, so I am sorry to say you